Ted!
Hi!
It's okay though. What are your thoughts about Vietsteel and our machine so far?
Well, everything we've seen so far here is exactly what we've asked for, and actually more. As we were looking and running the equipment and changing it over to the different sizes and stuff, we found they could do a little bit more than what the specs that was asked.
That's amazing. How about the people here? How do you find working with us and everybody?
You know, everybody in the plant here is awesome, and you, your sister, your dad are just, they're the best. You're the best to work with.
Awesome. How about the technicians? Do you like working with them? Do you find energized being around them?
You know what I find? I find that they're smart, and they know how to get things done. They know their equipment exceptionally well. And actually, as I was looking at it, if you really wanted to learn this equipment and learn how to operate it, how to adjust it and stuff, I would actually think that the best way to do that is have an operator come over here for a week and go through all the equipment with you and learn how to operate it before it's shipped out. If when the machine is done, because I think that's going to give them the best technical information that they can have when they're ready to run it. Even though you get technical training when you get it delivered, that training is good. But when you have 4 or 5 or 6, the one time there were 7 technicians here working with me to get this machine running well, and it was really nice because that's what taught me a whole bunch.
So it sounds like you and your operators and your technicians gonna come to Vietnam again.
I don't know if I am. But I don't know if I am. I may have to because of the other equipment that I'm looking at or want, but it's possible. But I'm looking at, I'm thinking about sending the technician over before the shipment of the equipment because of the education they can get from it.
It's our Lunar New Year, so we're gonna say Happy New Year to everybody in Vietsteel and everybody in Vietnam and the entire world.
Well, you know what? Happy New Year to you. I wish you the very best year this coming year for you and for your family and for all the technicians and all your employees here.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.